Greetings from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's 7:42. Parade doesn't start for, I think, an hour and 20 minutes. So right now everybody's just warming up. The parade route is very long. We're at the beginning of it. 1851. So the way they do this, they line up the marching bands up this street, and then they line up the balloons up the street there, and then they line up the floats on another street at like a three-way intersection. Then when the parade starts, they kind of filter one from each way over and over. So like one marching band, one float, one balloon. All right, so we're here where the balloons are. Swoop, the Philadelphia Eagles mascot, is here. There's another mascot that way.
There's a set down here. There's a set there. There's three.
Look how big these are. They have to remove some of these along the parade route. We can go through. I don't want to walk on the police tape. Look how tall this thing is, though. I never realized how big these lights are. Here's the Disney float. So once the parade starts, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, sometimes the princesses. Disney usually has this float, which has a bunch of characters on it, and they also have a horse-drawn carriage, which usually Mickey and Minnie ride in. But here's the Walt Disney World float. Good morning. Then look at this. This, I think, is where the big guy will be sitting, I believe, if I remember correctly. This,
On your left.
although there might be a sleigh for Santa, we'll see. But this chair looks like somebody important sits there. They have some celebrity guests here every year as well. Let's see over here. Oh, well, no, that's probably where Santa will be. That looks like a sleigh. I don't know. We'll see what happens. There's some fish float. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. There's the Liberty Bell, the real one's not far from here. There's Independence Hall, and then there's the Love Park statue. There's a replica of this in Knott's Berry Farm in California. But the real one's here in Philadelphia. Acme's a supermarket chain in this area. They have their float there. All right, so this says rock and roll. It says here Omar Jose Cardona, the Voice finalist. He'll probably be singing up right in this spot. You can see they have these little bars for them to hold on to, and they kind of clip them in place so that they can't fall off the float. I stand corrected, by the way. Santa is in the back of the parade, not in any of those other ones. So important people in those big chairs we saw, but not Santa Claus. There's the SS Duncan. The SS Duncan will be sailing down the parade route. Looks like they're prepping things for Santa Claus. And there it is. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 reindeer, no Rudolph. Dancer, Prancer, Donner, Blixen or Blitzen, Cupid, Vixen. There's like 2 more that I can't think of. They're getting everything all ready for Santa Claus. And over here, there's a float of pirates. Pirate ship here. Got some pirates there. They're getting ready. They're gonna be on television, so they'll have Their moment on TV where they stop in front of the art museum. Usually there's a number, song, dance kind of number, or something like that. We've got another sign here that says the Village People. So the Village People will be in the parade this year. So this chair is for Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus is here. So great to see her. She's got a beautiful chair and yeah, Dodge Ram. You can see the probably dancers or singers that'll be on the float with Mrs. Claus. They got their music notes on a phone that's hooked to the top of the trombone. Over here, Swoop looks like he's conducting the orchestra. Marching bands stretch all the way down that street, way down there. Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. Here's Horton, here's a hoop. They don't have the same size balloons as they do in New York. These are smaller, but they're pretty great. Pretty big. Here's Smurfette. And there's a My Little Pony and a little strawberry shortcake up there. Yeah, well, it's still early, so I think they're still inflating them. And they may, depending on the wind, they may inflate them less or more. I don't know exactly how it works. It's pretty windy today. See Darth Vader over here. It looks like maybe the Mandalorian. It's not Boba Fett. Maybe Jango Fett. And there's My Little Pony. Oh, we got a Fraggle down here. I believe that's Gobo. I haven't watched the show in a while. Phenomenal Snowman. Okay, this is Red from Fraggle Rock, starting to take shape here. Got those pop-up eyes like Kermit the Frog and other Muppets where they're round like balls, so you can see they're completely deflated right now. But and the handlers all have nice, short, orange red hair. Moving hard. It is a windy day. You can see those feet coming down. It looks like, I don't remember, was this Gobo? Looks like he's deflating. I don't know what happened. He was sitting up good. Some girls here with jump ropes. Yeah, must be the news guy here. He's chatting with everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, Lord Vader. Yeah, that is great. Village people have arrived. They're up on the float here. Train's smoking back here, but I think it's supposed to. Mrs. Claus has the best seat in the house. Happy Thanksgiving! And Santa Claus has arrived. Happy Thanksgiving, Santa! There's the pirates drinking root beer, though. There's a lady pirate, and then this guy. Looks like he's got a big old jug of wine or rum, but it's got a lemon on it, because it's Lemon Heart 151, I'm sure. There's Philadelphia ABC 6 as the cheerleaders. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Turkey Day!
And then here's the Duncan float. There's Joey from The Bachelor here for Thanksgiving. Look at these old-timey penny farthing bicycles. Look at that. And here's Kevin from ESPN. Says he's a host on ESPN. Couldn't read his last name. The banner was kind of flipping around. Here's City Hall. They used to start the parade here. Then they moved it a few blocks away. It's a giant clothespin here. I met Kelly Ripa standing out here one year when she was hosting the parade. Another year I saw Pat Sajak, Tony Danza, all right in this area. But now they have the host all the way on the other side by the art museum, and they don't do the countdown show here at all. This is Love Park, and this is where they have this German Christmas village. And these shops will all be open in a few days. Right now there's a few of them though. You can get bratwurst here. And lots of different beers and wine. And there's usually a big tent with all kinds of items, Christmas items from Rothenburg. Look at these. And you can see the art museum steps right there. That's where Rocky ran up in the movie Rocky. And that is where they do the TV broadcast. PHL 17, getting ready for their live shot. Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. All right, stand up straight. Look how tall you are. Well, this has been a lot of fun. Every year we come here, we see the beginning of the parade. The parade's just starting here, and on television it won't start for a while because they got a long parade route. But we come here, we see everything at the very beginning, then we get home, cook, we watch the parade on TV. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing this side of the parade. Very interesting. Right now there's going to be a box here and a box here. You can choose either one because I'm in both. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Happy Thanksgiving. High five.